Mango is a favorite fruit because it is sweet, juicy, and offers numerous health benefits. The fruit does well even in dry areas and is a good source of income for the farmer. However, mangoes are highly perishable and many of the fruits end up rotting in the orchards. Mangoes are also bulky and costly to transport to the market. During peak harvest time, farmers fetch a low price due to the abundance of fruits at the market. Farmers can reduce losses after harvest by drying mangoes.
Tutanambĩrĩria gũkorwo tũgĩtũngana ta ngurubu nĩ kwarĩ na mathĩna maingĩ twageragira mamwe mamo meta gũkorwo nĩ kũrakorwo kwĩna gũtekwa matunda muno.
Before we became a group, we faced lots of challenges, especially when we had a bumper harvest. During times of plenty, brokers used to buy my mangoes at very low prices. This was a common problem for farmers here. We decided to add value to our mangoes by drying them as a group so that we can sell the mangoes even when they are out of season, when there are few mangoes in the market and the price is good.
Ona mbeca iria hũthĩrĩte kana ona koni ta thumu na kĩrĩa hũthĩrĩte thĩinĩ wa matunda maku mbeca icio citingĩcoka koguo tukana nĩ ũrathiĩ hathara nene muno.
In this video, we will learn from the Kambiti East Farmer Group in Kenya how to make mango crisps. But first, let us listen to Patrick Kidheka, the chairman of the group, as to why they decided to use solar dryers in drying their mangoes.
Ni kukausha bila gharama sababu hautukua tukihitaji chochote.
The biggest advantage we saw in solar drying is that it is very cheap. No additional money is required after setting up. All you need is just the sun. We do not have to go back to our pockets to chip in money for electricity. Dried mango crisps are a tasty and a healthy snack that can be sold even out of season at a good price. Making good crisps starts by selecting the right mangoes, as Teresia Mumbua, a member of the group, tells us.
Tunaangalia ile kwanza imekwama kabisa.
It must be mature. Like if you look at the Tommy mango, it changes to some yellowish color. Though most mangoes will change to a brighter color when they are ready. The mango must be hard but ripe, not easy to press because when slicing all the juice will pour out and it will be a waste. We choose mangoes that are not deformed and those not pricked by the fruit flies. This is what we look out for when sorting mangoes ready for drying.
Only harvest mature mangoes. Do not pick unripe mangoes because they have a sour taste, or overripe mangoes because they will affect the flavor of the crisps. Members of the group bring their mangoes from their farms and record the weight to ensure every member receives a fair price for their mangoes. Wash your hands with clean water and soap before you start handling your mango fruits. During weighing, sort the mangoes for quality. The mangoes should be ripe and fresh for good quality crisps. Remove any unripe and overripe mangoes. Also remove any fruit that is infested by fruit flies. Before peeling the mangoes, wash them thoroughly. All the people who work with the fruit should have clean hands and short nails and should not be sick. Make sure the trays are clean and ready to use. Start by cutting off the stem side, then peel vertically towards the other end. You can feed the mango peel to your livestock. For smooth mango crisps, use a sharp knife or a mango slicer, which is available in shops. A mango slicer comes in handy when slicing a large number of mangoes and reduces the chance of cutting yourself. Now, slice your pieces into long strips full length on the mango and try to keep the size the same. Evenly space the mango slices on a tray to ensure uniform drying. The tray is made of wire mesh so that you can wash it easily.
Material ya njega ya guthondeka trays cia kũmithia maembe ikoragwo ni tuhuthagira wire mesh cia steel.
We use a wire mesh made of stainless steel because it does not rust. We avoid anything that will contaminate our fruits. Cleaning of these trays is also quite easy, and the mesh has good air circulation.
Ni hakoragwo na bado ni tukoragwo tukiona ati ni gukoragwo na riera hindi yo twithondekete na trays itu na cuma icio ni gukoragwo na riera rikiingira na njira iria yagirire koguo ti kindu gigukorwo gikiura.
You can now place the multiple trays inside a solar dryer to dry. Solar dryers capture the heat of the sun so that fruits and vegetables placed inside dry faster. Close the door of the dryer as quickly as possible to prevent flies from getting to the mango slices. Always make sure to thoroughly wash your hands before touching the crisps. After every 4 hours, check if the mango slices are sufficiently dry by squeezing them a bit. If they produce a crackling sound and they are brown in color, then they have over-dried. Over-dry mango crisps will still taste good, though they are a little hard to chew. But if they are soft with the original yellow pulp color, then they are ready for storage. The mango pieces should not be over-dried and crunchy, but are best left a little softer. Now the mangoes are ready for packing. Pack the mango pieces in sealed containers until you are ready to sell, so they do not absorb moisture. The committee group packs the mango crisps in double bags. The inner bag of polythene and the outer bag will protect the crisps from any dirt or moisture. Make sure the bags are tightly closed so no air and moisture can get to the crisps. With proper storage, the dried mangoes can easily be stored for more than 6 months. Once you are ready to sell, you can pack the mango crisps in small packets. Now let us look at what we have learned. Harvest only ripe mangoes. Wash your hands thoroughly before sorting. Remove any unripe or overripe mangoes and wash them in clean water. You can feed the peels to your livestock. Use a mango slicer to slice your mango pieces into long strips of the same size. Spread the mangoes on trays and place them in the solar dryer. Keep checking how the mangoes are drying after every 4 hours. When the mangoes are dry, pack them in airtight bags and store in a cool, dry room. Dried mangoes can be stored for over 6 months. And you can now make more money from your mangoes by selling the fruits out of season.